As a next step for creating a buyer persona is to think about the persona insight. And I'm calling it persona insight for a reason, because I don't want to call it demographics. Demographics, when called like that, very often make you narrow down your search, because you try to be as precise as you can be. Like, for example, calling a CEO, normally a CEO is 60% male, between the ages of etc., etc. We don't want that, because we will be missing on a lot of opportunities, unless of course we have confirmed information that it is so. Like on this position in our industry, in our ideal customer profile, 90% of people at this position is etc., etc. If not, let's stick to the things that we are sure and that do not narrow our persona too much. A good persona insight, for example, is when it comes to startup founders, and a lot of those startup founders are ex Big Four companies, ex McKinsey, ex Boston Consulting Group, etc., etc. That's valuable insight, because that does provide some extra information, something that is out of the ordinary, something that we might hook up to be able to filter those personas correctly.